Introducing Art Clay Silver Starter Set. The kit includes all tools to start jewelry making right away at home. The kit includes 13 items for basic jewelry making. Tutorial DVD and project sheet help your creations.
You can make these kind of jewelry at home with the Art Clay Starter Set. Get your inspiration and enjoy your unlimited creativity with Art Clay Silver.
Art Clay products are available through authorized distributors, located around the world. We have strong distribution network, and community to support your creation with Art Clay. They are not only selling Art Clay, but also giving people a chance to learn Art Clay technique. Art Clay is an educational material. You are not only make a beautiful silver jewelry work with Art Clay Silver, but also learn and skill up your technique. Enrich your life from learning. If you are interested in Art Clay product, please contact them. If you don't find the country where you live in the list, find the closest distributor or contact us. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.